Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite tilapia recipe. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, to our pan over medium heat, we're going to heat up about 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add 1/4 of an onion. Just cut it into small pieces. Along with that, the 4 garlic cloves. Just going to begin to lightly fry them. Once our onion and garlic have softened, we're just going to set them to the side. And now we're going to lightly fry 4 New Mexico or guajillo chile pods. Make sure to clean them and make sure that they are fully dried. And they soften pretty fast, so give it about 5 to 10 seconds per side. Okay, once we have that, now we can transfer it to our blender cup. Okay, so once we have that, now we can make our marinade. Okay, to a blender cup, we're also going to add 2 chile chipotles in adobo sauce, 5 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 tablespoon of liquid seasoning, or you can use soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of mayo, 1 teaspoon of mustard, salt, and black pepper. Now we're just going to blend it all together until we have a smooth marinade. Okay, so once we have that, now we can prepare our tilapias. For our tilapias, we're just going to pat them dry to remove all of the moisture. And now we're going to grab our marinade and spread it on both sides. Okay, and once we have spread all of the marinade on our tilapias, we're going to allow them to marinate between 5 to 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after at least 5 minutes, we can now get ready to take it back to the stove. Okay, returning to our pan, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil, set it over medium-high heat, and allow it to heat up. Okay, and once that's nice and hot, we're going to place our tilapia. Okay, now we're just going to allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, we're going to flip our tilapias over to the other side. Okay, I'm just going to spread a little bit more of that marinade. And just let that side cook for another 2 minutes. Okay, and after 2 minutes, flip it over one last time. Okay, we're just going to allow it to finish cooking. And then we can get ready to serve. And once your tilapia begins to fall apart, it is done. So now we can get ready to serve. And I'm just going to garnish with some lemon slices. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's so flavorful. It's honestly so delicious. So I am so ready that even if you're not a fish type of person, you're going to love this recipe here. So delicious. So I am ready. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Like I said, it's so flavorful. The lemon, the chilies, everything goes so perfect together, making it the best tilapia. So good. Got some broccoli, white rice, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I made my super easy and delicious tilapia. I hope you guys are enjoying watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.